Here we go. We are now at Pulau Ubin. There's the direction on what place we will go. We are here. Oh, dami pala eh. It's our choice wherever we go from here. Right now we are here at a bike rental, no? So we are checking on the bike, on how much is the cost and how much each. So right now we are checking him here, and let's see. So you try this new one? 20 ah. Go! 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 Yun. Here we go, biking adventure here at Pulau Ubin. Right now is Randy is the one who leading the charge at the front, followed by June, me, Darwin, and Menes. Okay, let's go guys. Right or left? Guide. Wherever you go, we will follow you. Okay, right. Okay, let's go to the right. Yahoo! Wow, this is old kampong Singapore. See, I didn't imagine that there's a house like this still in Singapore. As you can see, the house here is quite old now. And here we go. Darwin, take over. Darwin, 5 kilometers ahead of the track. And followed by Menes. Menes is open, coming from behind. This is gonna be a race. Oh, sorry. Okay, you can go now. The lady in white, take over. Yay! Thank you. Oh, pataas to bro. Oh, hindi nyo kaya? Cannot. Shift gear. Right now there's a bunch of bikers here and hikers. So here we go again. Okay, I gotta stop here first. Okay, let's wait for the other guys. Ngayon mga guys, no, stop over muna kami. Inaayos namin yung mga bicycle namin, ano. So, bati muna kayo mga ka-bikers. Bati muna kayo. Ayan, Randy, bati. Oh, bati muna. Mas sa mga fans nyo. Ayan, no. Hello, yun, no. Ayan, si Randy naman. Oh, Randy, bati ka muna.
Ay, Darwin. Ay, ako ba?
Oh, ikaw, yan, no.
Hello, sa mga taga-Bulacan. Kala ko kanina sa akin.
Oh, baliktad kasi hindi ako front focus. Yan si Randy. Siya yung nagtatrangko sa amin ngayon. Inaayos niya lang yung sprocket niya, saka yung yung wheels, yung para tumama. Para
lang talaga yan.
Oh, maluwag daw kasi yung yung sprocket niya. Ayan, inaayos niya na, no. So, pag naayos niya yun, takbo kami uli. Ayos. Okay na, balik na tayo. Okay, let's go guys. What a beautiful place. It's this place. There's a bamboo over here. Green, 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 green. Here comes the sun. Yo! Yun, naglalakad kami ngayon dito no sa boardwalk. Ano ba tawag sa lugar to? Salamat Randit sa lunch. At yan. Tingnan nyo yung view no. Ayan no. Wow. Ang ganda ng view no. Ayan po ang Singapore Sea. Singapore Island. Yan. Yung nakikita nyo, yan na po yung city na yan, city. Oh, dagat yan no. Yan, ang lupit. Yan. Yan, balik tayo. Yan. Randy, kaway-kaway lang. Darwin, yan, no? Kaway-kaway. Yun. Yun, oh. Ganda ng view. Oo, guwaping eh, oh. Ayan, no? Yun, no? Si Jun po, ayan. Si Jun, nasa hulihan. At ang nasa unahan po ay si yan. Yun, si Menes, oh. Kaway pa, isa pa, bro. Yan. Ganda talaga. Ganda talaga ng view. Welcome to Manila Bay. Sorry, not Manila Bay. A bit shy, don't wanna go out. We just finished our first adventure. Now we're going for lunch. So, kain tayo.
Papuntay mo dito.
Yeah, the rain is strong. We have to go back.
Tara na. Balik na.
Meron din dun sana.